What's up, all my stock market investors? It is ShPena, and I'm back again with another Cash App investing video. And today I want to talk about my prediction for the upcoming future of the stock market. But before we get there, I really want to talk about how I want to kick myself in the ASS right now because Penn National Gaming is trading at $27, and I watched it when it was at $13. I watched it when it was at $15. I watched it when it was at $17. Then I watched it when it was at $19. And I kept telling myself, it's too early. It's going to go down. The stock is up 30-40% at this point. On hopes, obviously, but who knows if it's going to return? I just don't know. So I did want to admit that because I don't want no one thinking that I always do things the right way. Sometimes you just miss a hit. Sometimes you miss a hit, and that's part of the game. I ain't gonna miss the next one, I'll tell you that. But let's get into what y'all really here for, and that's what my prediction is for the future of the market, the near future. Um, Stock market's been really kind of boring this whole week. Up 2%, down 1%, up 3%, down 0.5%. Like, I don't even like to look at, I haven't been looking at the stocks that much this week, but I can honestly say that it's in a super volatile space. Well, that's what I feel because we're opening everything up, right? So the hopes are high. But what happens if more companies go into bankruptcy? Financial markets are stressed, or if the housing markets get stressed even more. I think that there's longer term effects to what just happened, and we won't see that until maybe August, maybe July, maybe June. Can it go up? Yes, absolutely. Can the bull market continue? Absolutely. But this is literally a 50-50%, and I don't really think many people can predict it. Like, I'm just giving my opinion, but like, I know that my prediction isn't even 100% realistic because anything can swing. It can swing up, it can swing down. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens. Let me know in the comments what you think is going to happen. Do you think it's going to go down, or do you think it's going to continue to go up? Because it's not going to take that much bad news for it to go down. And obviously, if we get a vaccine or anything close to a vaccine, it's going to continue to go up. A sleeper stock that I think is a little undervalued right now is Norton LifeLock. They do cybersecurity. I've talked about them multiple times. Check them out. Do your research on them. I think they're trading at a lower price right now just because everybody's expected to be going outside or, being freed. So maybe that's why they're trading a little down right now because they're going to expect people not to need cybersecurity or everything to go back to normal. But I think that, come the fall, we're all going to be locked in again. I think that's pretty obvious, especially if there's no vaccine. So you have to think about it. You have to think about the future. Think about forward. That is what the stock market is. If you can kind of predict what's going to happen in real life, the stock market is going to get there eventually. Like, if something bad's happening in the fall, the stock market might get there in August. It might predict that in August. There's a lot of numbers coming out, a lot of statistics. Make sure you pay attention. Process everything. Don't just take in everything and think, oh, that's true. That's process everything that's being said, all the videos, all the research you're doing, and find out the facts. Find out the facts. Take out all the bull, and I think that you'll be good. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid in these times to get in. I think things are a little bit high right now, but I'm just waiting for it to dip a little bit, 5-10%. That's all I'm asking for. I'm only asking for 5-10%. Will we challenge the lows? I don't know. Time will tell. Have a great Friday, y'all.